This is a mic check. 1 2 1 2 3. What's going on, fellas and lady or ladies, however many of y'all might be watching? Welcome and good evening. I got something important I gotta tell y'all. Yeah, that sounds good, don't it? Just feels good too. Sorry, I'll tell you what I was gonna tell y'all in a second. I'm over here jamming. Feels so good. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. What happened? Oh, there it is. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. And yes, this is the Swamp Ass. So we're doing it again, man. And this time we're doing it bigger and better. Well, just kind of bigger, not much bigger, just a little bigger. I spoke with my buddies over at TigerTail. They want to give one of you, yes, you, sitting right there or standing up, wherever you're doing. Hopefully you're not taking a dump. They want to give one of you a chance of winning a TigerTail yet again. And we ain't talking about the AT model with the 8,000 pound breaking strength rope this time. No sir. We're talking about the big dog. We're talking about the UT model TigerTail. That's the 12,000 pound breaking strength. TigerTail right there. That's the big boy. You're gonna be pulling out side by sides all day with that, just like Shorty does, aka the Caucasian. Damn. So what did we have y'all do last time? Last time I had you comment down below and say why you wanted a TigerTail. Well, we all know why you want a TigerTail. They are, like I said in the last video, the best thing since sliced bread. So now what I want you to do, okay, first rule for entry. You need to tell me whose ATV is better, mine or Shorty's. So that little bitty Can-Am Outlander XMR 1000 that Shorty's got, or my big beautiful bold 2016 Honda Rubicon. Okay, so tell me which one of those you think is better. Second thing, you need to tell me just how badly you want a TigerTail. Okay, you come up with some sort of clever rating system or something, you know, whatever you want to do. It can be from 1 to 10 if you want to be boring, or it can be like, oh, I need a TigerTail because it's the best thing since sliced bread. But I already said that, so you can't use that. So come up with your own thing. Number 3, I'd highly appreciate it if you like the video, I guess. I mean, that's what us YouTubers do, right? We ask you to like videos. So go ahead and just throw that in there. So that's the third thing. Fourth thing is only 1 entry per person, so don't be a jerk and enter multiple times, okay? Let's make this fair for everybody. If you've already won once, I'm talking to you, Andrew. Please don't enter again. Give everybody else a chance, okay? You already got yours. Now it's time for somebody else to win one. You got to be at least 13 years of age or older. The giveaway is open to all residents of US and Canada, okay? You have 10 days to enter the giveaway. See the description for the official giveaway details. And when I announce the winner, I'll do it like I did last time. I will contact the winner through YouTube. I'll reply to the winning comment. I will send you a private message, and then we will get the details on how to get the TigerTail to you. We'll work it out in the comments, like men or man and woman, whatever. We'll do it like adults, okay? That's how we'll do it. We'll take care of it. We'll handle it like adults. That's all you got to worry about. You're going to get your TigerTail, so just relax. Not everybody, just you. Yeah, the winner. So the winner will be chosen by throwing all the names in a hat, and then I'll pick one out. And if I like the way your name looks, you win. If I don't like you, you don't win. I'm kidding. Whoever name I pick out the first time is, in fact, the winner, okay? Have yourself a great evening. Be cool, my friends. Stay swampy. Right. TigerTail, buddy.